Hey there, if you're here, you probably want to unlock or change your Netflix profile PIN right from your iPhone. Good news, this is way easier than you might think. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, open the Netflix app and make sure you're signed in. Head down to the bottom right corner and tap on My Netflix. That's your main hub for everything account related. Next, look for the menu icon, those three little horizontal lines in the top right corner. Give that a tap. Now, select Manage Profiles. You'll see all your Netflix profiles pop up. Pick the profile you want to edit and tap on it. You'll see an option called Profile Lock. Tap it. Here's where you can either change your PIN or remove it entirely. To change your PIN, just tap Edit PIN. Put in your current 4-digit number, then enter your new PIN. Super simple. If you want to remove the PIN altogether, tap Delete Profile Lock and confirm. Netflix will ask you for your account password, so be sure you have it handy. This step keeps your account secure. Now, what if you forgot your PIN? Just tap Forgot PIN on the lock screen or jump into your account settings on a web browser to reset it from there. And a quick heads up, profile locks can't be added to kids' profiles. Also, if you don't have a password set on your account yet, you'll need to log in on a web browser first to set one up before you can edit any locks on your phone. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you can update or remove your Netflix profile PIN right from your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.